Alright guys, welcome to our channel Code with Sunny, and today we will be dealing with the medium problem of LeetCode. It's a daily challenge problem of day 23 of January. Okay, so the problem name is Sequential Digits. Its index is 1291. Okay, so this problem involves to have some, like, we need to generate all those numbers that have a sequential digits difference as one, exactly one, that is forward digit minus the current digit. Okay, so in such type of problems, there is not a predefined logic. Like, you need to think upon that what are the maximum possible numbers that can be satisfying this criteria in the given range. Okay, I will explain it all about. Let's look over the first constraints. Okay, so you can see high, that is the maximum value of the range, is going to be around 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, just keep in mind that I will discuss it later on. Okay, so an integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. That is, if you're talking about the current digit, let's say the digit is let's say 7. Okay, so if the digit is 7, so the next digit must be 8. And if we have such type of numbers where the every digit is going to satisfy the criteria that the forward digit, if it is present, minus the current digit is exactly the value equal to 1. Okay, then such type of numbers is going to be satisfying the criteria of sequential digits. Okay, so we have to return a sorted list of all those integers satisfying the above criteria in the range from low to high. So we have some range from low to high, and we have to return all those numbers that is going to satisfy the criteria of forward digit minus the current digit as exactly 1 for every digit present in that number. And that number must be in the range from low to high, and we need to return that number like all those numbers in the form of a sorted list. Okay, so first thing that you need to understand that the total number of digit, what is the maximum number of digits that is present if we choose the maximum maximum value. Okay, that is what is the maximum value of high, as I've already said. Let me first change a color. Yeah, you can see the maximum value of high is going to be around 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, so it is around 10 raised to the power 9. So the maximum number of digits is maximum number of digits is 10. Okay, so just can you just guess it out, not saying it as guess, can you just figure it out what is the total number of numbers that have the sequential digits and that are less than equal to 10 raised to the power 9. Let me write down total total number of numbers, not digit, total number of numbers that are less than equal to 10 raised to the power 9 and have sequential digits. Okay, now here you are going to do some calculation, right? Yeah, you are going to do some calculation. You need to find it out what are the total number of numbers. So you can see you can have a one digit number like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And similarly you are going to have a two digit number. Two digit number would be like 2. Okay, so let me write down clearly. It should be like you can see 1, 2 or 2, 3, and again you are going to have you can say 3, 4, 4, 5 and so on. It goes up to like 8, 9. Okay, you can see here there are only 10 numbers, right? Yeah, sorry, 9 numbers. And what is the total number of numbers that are present? 8 numbers and so on. Like in the next case you are going to have 7 numbers, and in the next case you are going to have 6 numbers. So if you just calculate it, it will just come around 45, like my total number of numbers that are less than equal to 10 raised to the power 9 and have sequential digits. I am leaving up to you guys to figure it out what is the maximum number of numbers that have this criteria being satisfied and are less than equal to 1 e power 9. Okay, I have already done this calculation. Yeah, you can see, yeah, I have filled out the maximum number. You are going to get 45. Okay, so there are only 45 numbers. Okay, so this is 45 numbers is like really very small. So what we are going to do is we are going to construct all those sequential digits up to 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, now we have an array of 45 digits. Sorry, we have an array of maximum size 45, and we need to just extract it out. Let me write down extract all numbers in the range, extract all the numbers in the range from low to high from this 45 size array. If we are able to do that, then we are going to return that chosen numbers in the form of a sorted list. Now the problem lies is how we are going to construct those 45 size array, that is total number of numbers which are less than equal to 1 e power 9 and have the sequential digits. So this is going to be quite tricky. Like if you have done already many problems, then you will find this as easier. So what we are going to do is, like, we will first start with a one digit number, that is we have a list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so this is a one digit number. Now we are going to construct all those numbers up to max digit of maximum number of digits as 10, because we are going to have a maximum number as 1 e power 9, right, and it has a maximum number of digits as 10. Okay, so we will construct, like, this is for a one digit number. Like, let me write down one digit. Now the next case is, like, we are going to construct a two digit number, two digit. So in that case, what we are going to do, we are going to take help from a one digit number, and we will try to append the required digit at the back of this one digit number. Okay, so if you're not going to have the clear approach, so my two digit number would be like you can see I'm going to use this one, so I will pick up this one. Now we need to construct a sequential digit, so the next digit would be one greater than this one, so I will append this 2 over here. Okay, that is, pick up the one digit number and pick up the last digit that is present over here and just increment it by 1 and append it back, so it becomes a two digit number. Now again you are going to pick this 2, here it is 2, and the one greater than this 2 is like 3, so you are going to write down 3. Similarly 3, so 3 4 and so on. Now what about a three digit number? So you are going to use this two digit number to construct a three digit similarly, like 1 2. So pick up this 1 2, and the next digit would be like 1 2 3. So here it is a sequential digit. So in that case you are going to deconstruct all the 45 size array. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's look over the code how I have done that efficiently. You can see the runtime is 4 ms and it is quite good. Yeah. So what I've done is, like, first I find out the max length, which is string form of this integer and its length. Okay, so I've taken a set of strings, because some number might get repeated. Yes, it is going to be repeated, otherwise you're going to get a TLE verdict. Okay, so like constructing all those digits, because sometimes you're going to find the same digit again. Yeah, I have taken this for the simplicity. Okay, otherwise you are going to pick up a last n minus 1 digit number, that is, if you're constructing a 3 digit number, you will pick up only those 2 digit numbers. Okay, but here I have taken all those digits. That's why all those digits starting from the digit total digit as 1 2 3 and so on. That's why I've taken a set of strings. Okay, if you're not getting it, let me explain it right now. Okay, so I have started from, you can see I as 2, you can see which signifies that we are going to start from a two digit number. So I have taken a current vector of strings which will store the newly string which is sequential up to the current level, like what is the total number of strings that are being generated right now. So I will iterate in this stored, you can see, set of strings which are already being generated, and I will try to push back the last, that is, first I will try to extract the last digit. You can see I have extracted the last character of this string and I have incremented it. Then I will checking it out if it is less than equal to 9, that is, if it is forming a digit, then I will try to push back into my current, that is going to store the total number of total strings, type of strings which are being generated at the current level. Okay, if we are able to do that, yes, I'm going to push back in this one. Now the thing is, we need to store back all those numbers which are generated right now. So we are going to push back, you're going to insert in the store set of strings. Okay, now you can see why I've taken this set of strings, because you can see I've iterated. I'm going to iterate in this store, which is set of strings, for all those lengths, that is for length equal to 1, for length equal to 2, for length equal to 3. Okay, so in that case, suppose I'm trying to find out for length equal to 3, and I'm iterating for all those strings in this store. In that case, I'm again trying to construct for length equal to 2, and which is wrong, because we need to construct for only length equal to 3. That's why I've taken a set of strings which will remove all those duplicates if being generated. Okay, now the thing is we need to store the answer. So I've taken this answer, and yeah, I've taken this long because suppose max len is around 10. So in that case, it makes it the int max, I guess. Okay, so long L as low and long R as high. Now I iterated in this store, and I found the string like numerical form of this string using this stall. And if it is in the range that we want, then we are going to push back into our answer and then sort the answer and return the answer. Okay, so this is all about this problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section of the video, and do not forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.